In volleyball, attacking means trying to score a point by hitting the ball over the net toward the opponent court. It is also called a spike or hit. Simple explanation, the player jumps and hits the ball strongly so the other team cannot return it. Important parts of attacking. Approach. Moving toward the ball before jumping. Jump. Jumping high near the net. Arm swing. Swinging the arm to hit the ball hard. Contact. Hitting the top of the ball. Landing. Landing safely after the hit. Types of attack. Spike, strong and powerful hit. Tipping, soft touch blockers. Cross court hit. Ball gush diagonally. Line shot. Ball gush straight along the sideline.